Hello, first grade. This is Mr. Morocco with your daily math warm-up. Today we're going to review on looking at data and answering questions when looking at a table. Once again, just a reminder that you need a pencil, paper, and a thinking cap on. Make sure you are ready to answer the following questions. All right, I'm going to read you the question.
Attendance data. The chart shows how many students are in class today and how many are not. See chart below. Answer these questions. How many students are here today? How many students are not here today? How many students are in the class? How do you know?
All right, at this time, please pause the video and you have 5 minutes to answer 1 through 4. All right, go ahead. All right, welcome back. So, today's question of the day is, the chart shows how many students are in class today and how many are not. So let's look at attendance in Mr. Morocco's class and answer the following question. Number 1, it says how many students are here today? Well, looking at the data, what do I do first? I look at the data at the chart and I look at the data that says here. So let's see who is here today in Mr. Morocco's class. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job, mathematicians. There are 15 students that are here in Mr. Morocco's class. You can use strategies like counting. For students that want to use multiplication, you can say, there's 3 rows of 5, so you could solve this by 3 times 5 equal 15. All right, so there are 15 students that are here today. Number 2, how many students are not here today? Well, let's look at the graph again, and I'm going to use blue this time for color coding. Let's see how many students are not here in Mr. Morocco's class. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students. Great job. So there are 6 students who are not here today. How many students are in the class? Well, you know that 15 students are here. 6 students are not here. So you are trying to figure out how many students are in the class all together. Well, you can use different strategies like tallies, counting, base 10 charts. I'm going to use blocks as my way to solve this question. So I already made 15 blocks. So there's 15 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 15 blocks. And those are my students are here. Erase this that are here. Now, I'm going to add the students who are not here. So I'm going to use the red block, and I'm going to count. So there's 1, 2, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6, and there are 6 that are not here. So I'm going to label this not here. So the not here's are over here. So class, what is 15 students plus 6 students that are not here? Your answer should have been 21. Great job. 21 students are in the class. And how do you know? Well, like I showed you with these cubes, you can say, I know there are 15 students who are here today. I also know that 6 students are not here today. When I add 15 plus 6, that gives me 21 students all together. For number 4, if you have something similar like this, great. You can also say when you add 15 plus 6, give you 21 students all together. You can say when you made a diagram, you counted 21 all together. For number 4, you can do however you want it to do as long as you explain your answer of how you got 21 students. All right, that's your daily math problem.